What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best dash cam 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The Nexr 622 GW is perhaps the best looking dash cam on this list, with more image stabilization than its 422 GW and 522 GW predecessors. This 4K camera maximizes capture quality with a rotating polarizer on the front of the lens, image stabilization and built-in processing to reduce the occlusion of fog in recordings. Your choice of 3 rear camera modules is available to also record the cabin or rear window view. 2 of those 3 rear cam options plug elegantly into the 622 GW's main body, while the third is mounted remotely on a long cable for the best rear road view. Alexa is built in for voice control of the device, and in the event of a detected major collision the 622 GW can upload your blood type, allergies and other relevant medical history to an emergency call center if you opted in during setup. The 622 GW also features support for What 3 Words, an alternate GPS labeling platform that is slick but few people seem to use. Control of the 622 GW is via its rear screen or phone app. It's one of the larger cams out there, partly due to its prominent lens, but its quality of finish and performance would help make it a welcome addition on your windshield. Number 4. The Vifo A129 Pro Duo consists of a 130-degree field of view, FOV, main 4K UHD camera using a Sony EXMOR IMX317 sensor, and a 140-degree FOV 1080p rear camera, Sony EXMOR IMX291, that connects via a long and somewhat thick cable. Both are adjustable only on the vertical plane, so careful alignment during install is necessary for the best results. Which brings me to my only real, and minor issue with the A129 Pro Duo. The cameras don't detach from their semi-permanent sticky mounts. This is fine for the majority of users, but it's a no-no in a convertible such as mine. Grab, and your top is ruined and the dash cams are gone. The main unit has a 2-inch color display with 5 navigation buttons underneath, including one to take emergency video. The buttons are labeled, and the menu is nicely organized and easy to navigate. On the right side of the main unit are the AV output, USB power connector, and the rear camera connector. On the left side are the microphone, reset button and the SD card slot. Number 3. The Vantrue N4 is a 3-channel powerhouse able to record out the windshield, inside and behind the car all at once in HD or greater resolution, or it can record 2 views at once in 4K and HD. 2 of the views are captured by sensors built into the main front-facing unit, while the third is recorded by a remote rear camera that comes with a long cable to reach the back window on most vehicles. Unlike many dash cams today, the N4 doesn't require a phone for settings or clip review. It has a compact but sharp rear screen and plenty of dedicated buttons for features and settings. This is a great camera if you don't want to have to fuss with the second device. The N4 also has motion detection, not just impact detection, so it can wake up and record activity around the car when it's parked. It also uses a robust supercapacitor to power those functions when the car is off, as opposed to a conventional battery that may suffer in a car's punishing temperatures. Number 2. The Nexr Beam Dash Cam is also just an HD camera, but integrates GPS location data into its recordings via a GPS receiver built into its windshield mount. It uses image processing algorithms to alert you to road hazards and can let others know if you're delayed getting to your destination via the dedicated Nexr app. Check whether your phone is supported before buying a Beam. A number of popular phones are not as of this writing, which reduces the number of advanced features the Beam can offer. This dash cam is a rear-facing camera that records crisp 135-degree wide dash cam footage in 1080p and includes a 32GB SD card. Like the Garmin Mini 2, the Beam uses your connected phone for its full interface, but also uses that pairing to do free unlimited clip backups. Next to the Garmin Mini 2, It's the least obtrusive option on the list, though it's still much larger than the Mini. Number 1. Could spend hundreds of dollars on a dash cam, or you can spend tens. This one falls near the middle, which means it's full of features but won't cost the equivalent of a car payment. Its Ultra HD camera can capture images up to 2160p resolution, and the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS can track your route on the free Rove app or on Google Maps. It has a 150-degree wide-angle lens with the f1.8 aperture, plus parking mode, motion detection, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency lock, time-lapse, and slow-motion capabilities. The Sony Starvis sensor ensures night vision video in clear detail. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.